Sick of that buzzing noise? Check out these top tinnitus tips. As with many other things in life, there are tips and tricks that will help you or your loved one treat or relieve the discomforts of tinnitus. The following video is full of great information that will help you to lessen the discomforts that are caused by this irritating disorder. Be patient when taking medications to deal with tinnitus. What many tinnitus patients do not realize is that it is common for these medications to take a while to settle in, which is why they stop taking them so quickly. It is important to continue taking the medication and you will see positive results, soon. Since many people are not knowledgeable about tinnitus and the problems that it causes for people who suffer from this condition, it is important to educate your family, coworkers and friends about your situation. Inform them about the different conditions and settings that cause you the most problems. Also, ask them for their support in helping you deal with your condition. Eat a healthy diet that is low in salt, MSG, caffeine, and highly processed foods. All of these foods have been linked to tinnitus. Make sure when you eat out that you question your server about how menu items are prepared. The foods you eat can have a power effect on your tinnitus symptoms. Finding out what caused you to develop tinnitus is the first step in treating it. For instance, TMJ and hypertension are both medical conditions that can cause tinnitus, and if they are not treated, your tinnitus will not get any better. However, you must be aware that there is sometimes no cause of tinnitus. You are now equipped with some helpful advice about how to deal with your tinnitus. Hopefully you are starting to feel much better about your situation now that you have learned these tips. If you put them to use, you can find some peace in your life. You may eventually find that the disorder improves or disappears. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.